and welcome to the setup and installation of Digisol DG-BR1000Nu, which is a micro broadband router from Digisol's Ranger series and is a part of our 30 days with Digisol campaign. So in this video we will show you how to set up and install the micro broadband router from Digisol in some simple steps. As you can see, there is a window on the screen. This window will appear when you pop in your CD that comes along with the DG-BR1000Nu, and you have to follow the simple steps as mentioned on the screen. So let's get started with it. So you need to click next first. As you can see, it shows you to connect your one end of the WAN cable to the modem or your network, and connect it to the end of the WAN port on the micro broadband router. Next, you need to connect the router to your computer. So the LAN port of the micro broadband router should be connected to the computer with the provided LAN cable from Digisol. Then click next. Now you need to use the power plug provided by Digisol and connect it to the micro USB power port on the micro broadband router, and then click next. Once you power the device on, then wait for some time and then enter the credentials as mentioned on the screen. So since this is the first time we are setting up the router, we need to enter the default code for the router, that is 1234, and as the password. So make sure you change this code after you set up the router completely. So for now, let's use the default code and log into the router. It will take some time. Yeah. So after logging in, you need to configure the internet connection type on this router. So for example, it provides you with dynamic IP, triple PoE, static IP, PPTP and L2TP types of connection types. So let's go with dynamic IP for instance. So here you need to configure your dynamic IP to configure the dynamic IP settings. So once you click next, the router will try to connect to the internet and tell you to wait for some time until the bar gets to the end of the loading. So once the setup is going on, you will see a selection or the select location screen for the network and choose the type of network you prefer, for example public network, and close the wizard. The setup will continue again. Once done, the window will show you internet connection success, and congratulations, your router has been successfully configured and connected to the internet. So click next to configure the wireless settings. So here you need to set the wireless SSID or wireless name for your router. For example, it is default as Digisol. Click next. So here you need to enter a shared key for the security purposes. So here you need to enter a key. For instance, let's enter password. Yeah. So here you see the connection or configuration complete window for the network type you have chosen, and you see the internet connection type that you chose, which is DHCP client, along with the wireless name, the pre-shared key and the security key. Click finish to finish the wizard, and the system restarting window will pop up telling you to wait for the number of seconds mentioned on the screen. After that is done, your router will restart and you will be connected to the internet. So that's it. Thanks a lot for watching. Stay tuned.